Kevin Lombard here from Lombard Equipment. I have my awesome assistant Duke. This is a Pro Spot aluminum workstation. Brand new, it's actually new old stock. And one thing that's very unique about this workstation, this has the new draw knock technology on it, which is what this is the current system. A lot of them now still sell this, the AL5. That uses a compact discharge, old technology. So this has got the latest and greatest. It's complete with everything. It's never been in a body shop. You got your big puller, you got your small puller, you got all your aluminum handles, hammers, you have your heat gun, you got your Pro Pull, brand new cover, still in the bag. Again, folks, this has never been in a shop. It has everything. You got your cooling gel, you have your consumable kit, you have your temperature gauge, all still in the wrapper. You got your bag of all your keys, everything complete, ready to go. It's got the tank on the back with the gauge. Normally, this is around $10,000 to $12,000, depending what option. This has everything with it. This is on sale for $4,900. Super, save thousands of dollars. If you don't have a workstation, now's the time. Call the 800 number.